Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to Din Cuisine. Today two of our volunteers from Malaysia who will be preparing a traditional Malaysian dessert called Ketayap.
Okay, Assalamualaikum everyone. We'll be cooking kuih Ketayap, or known as a traditional Malay dessert. So today we're going to have all these ingredients, and the first ingredient is firstly is 200 grams of shredded coconuts, 2 pandan leaves, 1 cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 of water. So firstly, heat up the stove and put the pandan leaves in with the shredded coconut. Make sure to use spoon, okay people, don't use hands. Everything in. And then you put the brown sugar. Then the normal sugar. Salt, and a little bit of water. Then slowly stir it. So we're going to make the skin, which is like sort of like a crepe. So we have 1 cup of fresh milk, 1 cup of pandan water, 1 cup of water, 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 egg. Put all ingredients into the mixer and mix it until it's fluffy. Now we're going to fold the crepes with the content that we already cooked. So first of all, put the shredded coconut that you have cooked with the sugar, with the brown sugar, at the edge of the crepe. Then fold it at the side and roll it.
Thank you for watching. Hope you liked our show. Please like, share and subscribe, and also check out dinrelief.org. Thank you.